How to add ruler in Figma. In today's video, I'll show you how to add rulers to your canvas, perfect for aligning and measuring your design elements accurately. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on your device. After that, open Figma app. Now open an existing file or create a new one. Then select the frame where you want to add rulers. Now go to the top menu and click on View option here. Then hover to Rulers and select Show Rulers. Or you can simply use the shortcut Shift+R on your keyboard to quickly toggle rulers on or off. To use the ruler, click and drag from the top side ruler bar to drop the guides onto your canvas. This helps align perfectly. To remove a guide, just drag it off the canvas. To hide the rulers, press Shift+R again or go to View, Rulers and Hide Rulers option. And that's it. This is how you add rulers in Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.